Greetings, this is Erodo Jumbo. In this tutorial, JavaScript will be used to create a Bitwise XOR assignment operator. This is brought to you from jumboshop.com Learning JavaScript Course. JavaScript makes it easy to use the Bitwise XOR assignment operators. Use Bitwise XOR assignment operator to compare two values of the same numeric integer type to return 1 if only one matches. So unlike the previous tutorial when we do the OR, meaning that any one that had a value of 1 would then output 1, meaning true. In this case, only one. So if it has multiple of them, I'll show you when we down here when we go to the truth table. You see here, in this case, both of them have 1. So you'd expect 1 like all the previous tutorials. No. Instead, what will happen is this will be 0. So all we need is 1, whether it's the first left operand or the right operand, then you get 1. If they're all 0, it will be 0. So all you need is just 1 and only 1. So if you have multiple, for example, you had multiple numbers here, only 1 would where XOR would be true. This is a mistake here. I'll fix this. This should be exclusive. This should be exclusive instead of inclusive or XOR here. So I'll fix that by the time this video is up. So that's basically the difference between OR and XOR. As you know, if you want to do an assignment, you use this symbol and equal sign. Just if you're just doing it by here, where before you assign a value or a different value, you can just use the symbol by itself. I want to explain that if you notice here, when we do the logical exclusive XOR, it doesn't have a symbol. JavaScript for some reason does have a specific symbol, unlike the previous one where we had OR and it's 2 pipe symbols, or AND is the 2 ampersands. Yeah, the XOR doesn't, the logical XOR doesn't have a symbol. Just to be kept in mind. The other stuff is all the same. If the number is too small, you have to use a big int, a data type, and explain what the truth table is. I've shown it here. If you want to see the code we're going to use for this story, you can just expand here. And this is the screenshot of the tutorial today. It's similar to the one the OR, but I'm saying all the operations will be the same except the symbol, so we'll get different results. And this is the output here. And of course, this is the video you're watching right now. One thing to note that JavaScript only runs in a web browser for client-side interactive or automated web applications. However, you can run a JavaScript server-side. There's some embedded platforms that allow JavaScript applications to run outside a web browser. So this allows you to, as you saw in previous tutorials, I was able to just use JavaScript to create desktop applications. You can, some of the applications I have on the Android and the Amazon Android stores are actually made in JavaScript, including games. So if you want some tutorials or help with that, just let me know. Okay, and one more thing before we begin the tutorial today. JavaScript is open source. It's a licensed under W3 software license. This allows commercial use, modification, distribution, and allows making it proprietary. Okay, let's get down to we're going to jump over to the jumboshop.com web IDE so that we can begin this tutorial. As usual, you can copy paste everything you want in there. So let's create the variables. So this is a binary of 101, 2 equals 3. The binary is 1, 1. So I'm just going to copy this one for Okay, then we go console.log num1 symbol num2 num2 num1 3. If you want me to do a tutorial on the Bitwise, the binary converting in JavaScript, it's very simple. A further explanation, I can do that as well. So now also do the big int data type. So num3 num4 num4 num3 now we're going to do the Bitwise XOR assignment. So num5 equals 10. Binary is 0, 1, 0. 5, 6. Binary is 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, we'll compile this, and you see the output here. So this is 6, and for the big int number, that's what we get. And then down here for this one where we have 3, this one down here, sorry, 5n, 3n, we get 6 as well. And for this one here, the assignment, we get 12. See, that's just be wary of that. Okay, so if you want to learn, the article is at ujumbo.com/javascript-bitwise-xor-assignment-operators. If you wish to learn JavaScript online at your own pace in a web browser 24/7 anytime, you visit ujumboshop.com. You can use the coupon code SCHOOL for 20% off until the end of 2024. So with this course, you have everything you need. It comes with the JavaScript. It comes with the compiler. All you need is just a web browser to follow along. The web browser just has to obviously run JavaScript because there's some stylings and stuff as well. As you saw, it's pretty straightforward. You can do it on your mobile device, or you can do it on your, as you can see here, it does work on a mobile device. You can do it on a tablet or just a desktop, as we just showed in this tutorial. There are also ebooks for now. The books are coming very, very soon. Probably by next week, maybe 1 or 2 tutorials from now, the book should be ready. The paperback book should be ready. So if you want a physical book, you will have it. But for now, you can get the ebook on Amazon. Just search for Edward Ojambo. The links are in the description. Be sure to also subscribe for more frequent content, and you can also do requests, any programming language or any things that you would like to see. Just let me know. So you can grab the Learning JavaScript course on jumboshop.com. There's some references for this article. Remember I said before, the links are also in the description. The Learning JavaScript ebook is on Amazon as well. The links are also in the description. And if you want one-on-one tutorials, or if you need help with the web application, desktop applications, you want to create them, or mobile applications, you simply you can visit jumboservices.com and you can get a free quote. That also goes for if you want to learn how to create a website from scratch, any different languages, Java, JavaScript, C++, C, Rust, Python. Yeah, I can help you with that as well. If you, or maybe you just want to integrate something. Maybe you have some third-party integrate, or you have your own thing you want to integrate to your website. We can take care of that as well. I will help you to do it yourself in the tutorials. Okay, that's the end. Thank you.